Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Zoom app meetings and account settings to a new phone. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your Zoom app meetings and account settings to a new phone, start by ensuring that both your old and new phones are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Install the Zoom app on your new phone by downloading it from the App Store or Google Play Store. On your old phone, open the Zoom app and sign in to your account. Now, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the sign out option and tap it to log out of your account on the old phone. Next, go to your new phone and open the Zoom app. Sign in to your Zoom account using your email and password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete this step. Once logged in, your meetings should automatically sync to your new phone. Verify that all your scheduled meetings appear in the Meetings tab on your new device. To transfer any local recordings, use the Zoom desktop client on your computer. Log into the Zoom client with the same account on your computer. Navigate to the Meetings section and make sure to download any recordings you want to keep. After downloading, connect your new phone to your computer via USB. Transfer the recordings from your computer to your new phone's storage. Remember to check your settings to customize notifications and preferences according to your usage. Finally, make sure to test the app to ensure everything is working correctly on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.